Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Cooking show is amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you favorite recipe and dish, cake, you name it. Anyway, today we make a simple, easy one. Cinnamon sponge in your kitchen at home. Hopefully you like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments below and also share the video and tell a friend. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook and Google Plus page. One thing I want to simply say to you guys, we have a lot more stuff coming out and I know you guys will love it. Cinnamon sponge at home, the best in the world, from Chef Ricardo and the team. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Basically today we want to make you a lovely cinnamon sponge. Very easy recipe, you guys. You can do this one at home. First of all, what we're going to do, we got 8 ounces of sugar, which I'm going to put straight inside of the bowl. And also 8 ounces of unsalted butter. And all you need to do is just combine and get a wooden spoon. And as you can see, I got it into a big bowl. So basically we're going to make a cinnamon sponge cake today. Very easy recipe. You guys can do that one at home. Very easy. 8 ounces of sugar and 8 ounces of butter. And I know you guys can do this one at home. So we're just creaming the butter and the sugar together. Alright? So as you can see, very easy. Look at that. Very easy recipe, guys. It's one of the easiest recipe I ever make in my whole entire life. I'm just sharing with the fans them today to make you know so you can do this at home, alright? Especially on a weekend with the kids them or you know what I mean, with the family. Then we're gonna put 4 eggs inside of it like this. 4 medium-sized egg, and I remove the eye from the egg. There's a video on my YouTube channel that tell you how to move the eye from the egg, guys. And simple. Nice one. Then I'm going to use the whisk. Because the whisk is a little bit butter. Fluff it up. And give it a lovely mix. Guys, I know you guys are going to love this one. You see that? Look at that. Beautiful. Very easy and simple. Then we have 8 ounces of self-rising flour. Then what we're going to do, we're going to pop a little bit of the flour inside of the bowl like this. And simple. We're not going to use the whisk now. We're going to use a wooden spoon back. Alright? Simple, combine the flour, sugar, the egg, and the butter. Look at that. Beautiful. Then we're going to add a little bit more of the flour. Nice one. Look at that, beautiful. Then we're gonna add the rest of the flour inside of it. Then we're going to get the cinnamon, and we're gonna add some cinnamon inside of it like this. Roughly half a teaspoon of cinnamon, because cinnamon is very strong. All right, and you don't want to put too much to overdo the cake. Then take your time and fold it in. Get that nice lovely flavor in the cinnamon sponge with a mixture and everything. Take your time, fold it in, fold. Yes, and that's the way it goes. Nice one. Look at that. So we fold it in. What we need to do is to get the whisk now and give it a quick whisk. Nice one. Then after we get that quick whisk, what we're going to do next is get your favorite milk. We're just gonna pop a pinch of milk in it. Not too much, just a pinch of milk, roughly about a teaspoon of milk. Take your time and fold it in, fold it in, fold it in, fold it in. fold it in, and then take your time and give it a nice lovely whisk like this. Even a baby can bake this cake the way I'm doing it, and I know you guys are gonna love it. You see that? Look at that, beautiful, smooth and nice cinnamon sponge. The best cinnamon sponge cake in the whole entire world. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team. And then they just whisk it, and that's it. Lovely and nice. Alright, after you do all of your hard work, then this is the part which you want to get to know. So right here I have this is an oven tray, bake tray, right? I have right here, and I have a piece of a grease-proof paper inside of it. Then what we're going to do is scrape this lovely sponge cake inside of it like this. Nice and lovely. Look how smooth the cake is. So I know you guys can make this one at home. It's not complicated. So I know you guys can make this at home. This recipe is Chef Ricardo recipe, and I'm sharing with the fans. Alright? So look at that. Beautiful. Then give it a shake. Nice and lovely. Then what we're going to do, please preheat your oven. That's what you want to do before you start to make a cake. And I have my one on gas mark 5, the least. Don't put it on a high temperature, then your cake will burn, and you're gonna say Chef Ricardo problem. Well, if you're using gas mark 4 or 5, if you're using a different kind of oven at 165 is good for 12 to 15 minutes, then you can check it inside of the oven. Enjoy the recipe. Cinnamon sponge from Chef Ricardo on the team. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely, guys. I just want to simply say to you, I just take this cinnamon sponge from the oven. Look at this. You see? That's exactly what we're talking about. Let's take the cinnamon sponge from the tray. Every time I bake a cake, the tray is really hot. My fans always say, Chef Ricardo, why you doesn't cut your cake? Anyway, today what I'm going to do is cut a piece of the cake. Still hot, but I'm gonna still cut piece out to show the fans them exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. So look at that. Alright, so I just want you to see when I bake my sponge cake or cinnamon sponge, any kind of cake, then that's the way all they look. Perfect. So when I give you a recipe, guys, I just want you to say, yes, Chef Ricardo, thank you for the recipe. It works. Anyway, guys, it's just amazing to know you can do things at home, and it's just beautiful and nice. So this is a lovely cinnamon sponge, and hopefully you just enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more ideas and recipe for you. See you next time, and this is from the team. Bye bye.